Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add RedotPay to Google Pay. Here's how to add your RedotPay card to Google Pay. First, make sure you already have a RedotPay card, either physical or virtual, and that is activated. Once it's ready, open your Google Pay app, go to your wallet. At the bottom right corner, tap Add to Wallet, then choose Payment Card. From there, select the option to add a new card and enter your Red Dot Pay card details manually. You can find all the required information, such as your card number and expiration date, directly on your physical card or within the Red Dot Pay app if you're using a virtual one. After entering your details, follow the verification steps. This may include an SMS or app confirmation. Once verified, your Red Dot Pay card will appear in Google Pay, allowing you to make payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. And that's how quick and easy it is to link your Red Dot Pay card to Google Pay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.